Brand new to our inventory here at Myers Automall, we have this 2017 Ram 1500 Lone Star Edition Crew Cab Pickup. With the available four-wheel drive, you'll be ready wherever the road takes you. On the outside of this Ram, we have Park Sense front and rear park assist system, power and heated door mirrors, and remote start system. On the inside, we have comfortable cloth seating for 5 with leather inserts, second row in-floor storage bins, and auto-dimming rearview mirror. The 8.4-inch touchscreen display has Bluetooth technology, and the steering wheel mounted audio controls keeps it all at your fingertips. This 2017 Ram 1500 has less than 46,000 miles and comes with a Carfax buyback guarantee. Give Myers Automall a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.chrismyers.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.